Hi everyone, my name is Audrey. I'm from Malang, Indonesia. I'm currently studying the Bachelor of IT at the University of Technology, Sydney. So today I'm going to present my final project for CS50. It's called the Spotify search bar. As you can see, I've written the program in Python. And essentially what it does is I just use the Spotify's web API to request data of track, artists and albums and perform a data manipulation to display the results to the user. So let's try running the program. First, you will have to give inputs to the program of what you have in mind. So I want to search for this, and it gave me 5 top results that based on my input in the different fields of songs, artists, and albums. So, but this is not the results I was hoping for. It's not the so I need to search for another keyword. So now I've specified my search more, and the program can based on my input it can recognize whether it's like, so it can be related to songs, artists, or albums at the same time. So now let's, what if I pressed no? So I can search more, I can know more about a track, artists and albums. Say yes, I want to know about track number 1. And it gave me these results. You can see it by yourself. And let's try for the artist. What will it give me? Yes. And by the way, if you just doesn't comply with the if you don't give the input that the program is expecting, it will just repeat the question. And, But if you use the capitalized, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's try artist number 2. Okay, it gives me these results, and I want to search again, and this time I want to search for. Oh, okay. The program found no results for my query. So I need to try another keyword. Now for the last one, let's try the results for album. Okay, so if you search for albums, that's what it will give you. And do you want to search again? If I pressed no, the program will exit. Thank you for using our service. So that's all for the demo of this project. I hope you liked it. So see you in my next project.